everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today in about Madam Korra. I am so happy for you when I just see the video when the time with the baby. The time when the baby when the baby come out, when they cry, oh my gosh, to get better, they hungry me, oh God, we do your own, make can't do all of us. So I am so happy for you. Congratulations, my darling, congratulations. Oh my gosh, when I see the baby, I was so happy. When they cry, I know when baby just come out now. That first cry, oh my gosh, I am so happy. I'll put the video on and say, my darling people, congratulations once again. The Lord is your strength. I pray, may God make this baby be a blessing to you and your husband. I am so happy for you. Let me put the video, my darling people. Let me put the video. Bye.
We need to give every woman the respect they deserve. If you look at her now, she is seeing hell. She is seeing hell. May God bless every woman around the world. We don't know what these ladies have done. May God bless every woman around the world. She is seeing hell. God, I pray that every woman that suffered to deliver in peace, any prayer that enemy pray against them will never work. Oh my God. She is seeing hell, but to the glorious of God.
This for the new baby girl and for the new month. For the new baby girl, I know say I like baby girl. I like baby girl. And they come from, and it's even coming for someone that I like, I love. What a way to celebrate this new month. What a way to celebrate it. Aye, this is beautiful. Happy new month, my people. Imagine. Some people like to they argue. Some people like to they argue, my people. Said in Europe, I was saying the other day, someone said in Europe, Pikin not they pass the day if he pay, they will, even if they even have to even provoke this one, they even have to provoke it. It's a beautiful month. Happy New Year. I have seen my people there. Welcome, welcome. Happy New Month. Happy New Month. Happy New Month with a celebration. With a celebration. You inbox me on my WhatsApp. Inbox me. This is time for celebrating. I want to celebrate. This for the Korra baby girl. Beautiful baby girl. I make her like baby girl. I took a like baby girl. I took a like baby girl. Congratulations to all. All of us when they wait, like all of us that will be waiting. I don't know how many of you will be waiting, but me I'll be waiting. Anytime I say I will lie. Belly don't big again. You never sleep to bed, but finally. I was even sleeping yesterday. I didn't even know when. I was even sleeping just to wake up this morning to see like finally. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Congratulations, sweetheart. Congratulations. Congratulations to your husband. Congratulations to the baby. And congratulations to everyone that be waiting. We all that be waiting for our baby. Our baby, because that baby is our baby. Is a lorry with all love, or a lot of love. That baby have a, she never even come with a loads of love. You get it? That was beautiful. And I wish myself and everyone out there that wish to have a beautiful, happy pregnancy like that, like the Korra, and very strong. Korra is very strong. Like, I admire her. I admire her. She's very strong. She's full of love, happiness, and joy. Congratulations. And I wish every good thing to you, and I wish it to myself as well. Congratulations to all our friends. Finally, our baby is here. We don't need to come the panic again. Like, no panic anymore. Anytime you see Korra, we're like, oh, we never see boom. Oh, everybody was, to everybody that was wishing good energy, prayers, and everything. God bless you, or God bless all of us. And congrats to the new baby girl. What a new day. She said now today she dey come. Like, she's supposed to come February, but she just come the 1st of March. America time, depends on America time anyway. Depends on America time, the time, if you enter first or na February, you still come. Is it February? I'm going to check the time, like America time. That would depend, but I think it was this morning. Congratulations! Congratulations! Let's celebrate. This is beautiful. I want to first to come and celebrate and congratulate my darling Korra, and before I will coming back later. Congratulations once again, and I wish you all the best. The bunch of love when you all bring, and I wish and I admire. I wish and I admire to have that kind of experience for you. That's why I've been following, like, with all the love. I've never seen. No, I don't see many. Like, many will be saying they're happy when they get belly. But Korra is, oh, mommy Faith, we are celebrating. Listen to the husband.
We have a beautiful baby girl.
A beautiful baby girl. Join me, let's celebrate.
I caught the baby myself, caught a thing myself. I was proud of it. It was a beautiful thing. I never thought I would do, but
Now that she even eats.
Delivered my own daughter. I helped catch her. I did all the work, obviously. I just did the catching part. But
better husband to give us updates.
Or sleeping.
Now, you also have a big man. Now, you do it for our body. If not, we foresee the weight, our neck foresee long.
You guys.
We foresee the weight, our neck foresee the long. It's the long. The happy new month, mommy.
Quite a few there.
Happy new month. Our neck. I'm so fine, husband, educated. Now, you also have a big man.
So much, everyone. I was actually on the
You also now you do it for our body, oh.
and her water.
God bless you, and I'm so happy for you, your beautiful baby girl.
So,
You will like girl.
look around, you know. Already got to know.
This is where you clean up, where you give birth. Actually gave birth at home.
And her water broke.
She's strong, oh.
Pretty wild.
Pretty wild. Even the husband is still in shock. Imagine explaining that. Men need to the experience, and this is a man right here. So men, if the woman won't give birth, they'll take a seat, they will run. Stay there and experience it. The guy was like, it's pretty wild. Like, you know,